Good morning, everybody. It's always a pleasure to see so many of our good friends and colleagues.
We have a very large trust and estates department, and for 20 years we have presented a seminar to our investment, accounting, trust officer, and insurance professional colleagues on estate planning. Today our theme is asset protection. We're approaching asset protection from a number of angles. We'll be talking about tax savings. We'll be talking about a technique called asset protection trusts. We'll be talking about protecting the family cottage in particular as an asset of sentimental value. We'll be talking about prenuptial agreements and postnuptial agreements. We'll be talking about will contests and protecting assets after death in the face of objections. And we'll be talking about irrevocable gifting to family members and to trusts, all centered on the theme of protecting assets for the family and for intended beneficiaries.
If the property is included,
We always encourage people to be current. With the tax law having changed every 2 or 3 years, we want to make sure that the plans are flexible enough to respond to the changes. And we have new powers of attorney and healthcare proxies that come up, and we encourage people to update theirs to be current under the law.
The portability is not applicable for generation skipping tax.
We're available to help. We do planning from very simple newlyweds with minor children, don't have huge tax problems, to very wealthy individuals that do have substantial tax issues. They've got property in other jurisdictions. So I think we're large enough with the number of attorneys that we have and the departments that we have to really be, and I hate this phrase, a one-stop shop for people who need a lot of extensive planning or need just the basics and get them in place for the foreseeable future.
The Social Security Administration is going to take a snapshot of what's going on with this.
I came to get information that I could bring back and use with my clients. There's so much information out there, things are constantly changing, and so it's hard for clients to keep up on their own. It's hard for us to keep up, which is why we like to come and listen firsthand, get the information from the professionals who know the ins and outs.
We've got a great group at Woods Oviatt Gilman LLP, and the fact that so many of our audience attends every 2 years, we take as a compliment to the fact that we're providing valuable information to them.